Today, we will talk about how to remove salt from softened water. Let's have a look at the details. Soft water is great for drinking, showering, and washing your clothes, but not so great for your plants. The higher sodium, or salt, content in soft water causes plants to absorb water less efficiently, which can damage and dry them out over time. However, don't fret. It is easy to remove salt from softened water and make it suitable for your garden and plants. In this video, we'll tell you how to remove salt from your softened water, soil, and why it's not great for your plants. The first method is removing salt from water. Install a bypass valve to get untreated water. Most homes have a soft water treatment system that receives untreated, and therefore unsalted, water from your main water line. To get untreated water, install a bypass valve or spigot onto your water line. You can then directly water your plants without worry of damaging them with soft water. Purify water with a reverse osmosis water system. Reverse osmosis is a filtering technique that removes sodium and nearly all other minerals from water. You can install your own reverse osmosis filtration system, which is typically placed under your sink, so you can receive untreated water directly from your tap. Remove salt with a water distillation device. Distillation is the process of purifying water by heating it up and turning it into steam. Only water can be evaporated, so the sodium in soft water is left behind in the distillation chamber as the steam cools back down into liquid water. Treat your soft water system with potassium. Potassium can be used instead of sodium to treat your water, which is extremely beneficial to plants. Most stores sell potassium chloride pellets, which you can add directly to your water softening system. The second method is easy alternatives. Dilute your water with distilled water. Distilled water is almost entirely free of the natural minerals and chemicals you find in water, so by mixing it with soft water, you reduce its sodium concentration. Simply add equal parts distilled water and softened tap water to your favorite watering can to dilute your water. Collect rainwater. As rainwater is completely natural, it does not contain the higher concentration of sodium and other chemicals found in soft water. There are several easy ways to collect rainwater, such as building a collection system with barrels placed strategically under your roof's gutters. Use bottled water. While this is not the most environmental or economical choice, most bottled water contains less sodium than you find in typical soft water. This might be a quick solution if you're in a pinch but need to water your plants. The third method is removing salt from soil. Leach your soil with purified water to remove salt buildup. It is simple to leach or remove salt from your soil by pouring purified water into your soil and letting it drain. And the fourth method is watering your plants. A thorough watering helps prevent salt buildup in your potted plants. When watering your plants, soak them with enough water that it runs out the bottom of the pot. Always plant your plants in pots with good drainage holes so that your plant does not sit in the water. Water your plants when the top 2 inches of soil is dry. Along with using soft water, overwatering can damage your plant's roots and turn your leaves yellow. Check your soil regularly to see if it's dry instead of watering it on a set schedule. Give your plants and garden a soak in the morning. Morning watering helps your plants absorb water better because less water is lost from evaporation due to the sun. It can also help prevent them from developing diseases because they have time to dry out over the course of the day. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.